Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly fix the pendrive issue showing the wrong capacity. Here you can see this pendrive is showing 508 KB while the actual size is around 8 GB. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Now we have inserted our USB, and if you go to this PC, this is our pendrive and it is showing about 508 KB in size. As you can see, this pendrive is actually of about 8 GB. So let's quickly try formatting it. So it's formatted, but the size has not changed. So to fix it, go to the Start menu and type Diskpart. Open it as an administrator. Here, type list disk and enter. So this will show all the disks on this PC. Disk 0 is the C drive, about 119 GB. Disk 1 is the D drive, nearly 1.8 TB. And Disk 2 is our pen drive, which is actually around 8 GB. So now type select disk 2. So disk 2 is selected, which is our pen drive. Please make sure you select the correct disk. Then type clean and enter. So we see some error here, access denied. If you see this, again run the clean command or repeat the process and see if it works or not. So now we have successfully cleaned the disk. Now again run the command create partition primary and enter. So it's done. This USB is still not accessible. Right click and click on format. You can see the capacity is now nearly 8 GB. Start. OK. So the format is complete. So now you can see this is showing the whole USB size, which is about 8 GB. So this is how you can fix your USB drive showing incorrect capacity. Thank you very much.